A way to integrate or extend the Coins/OneCoin mobile app via an API or webhook. Here's an overview of Coins by CoinPaprika, a versatile mobile crypto app that matches your description. Magnifying glass tilted left key features. Discovery and research. Explore data on over 500 plus cryptocurrencies, including white papers, team info, social profiles, Twitter, Reddit, events, and project comparisons. Non-custodial wallet. Store up to 500 assets directly on your device. Your private keys are secure and never leave your phone. Biometric protection ensures only you have access. Invest and buy crypto. Purchase crypto with fiat currency through integrated partners, buy with a few taps. On-device crypto exchange. Swap between cryptocurrencies seamlessly in-app, without needing external exchanges. Send and receive. Easily send and receive crypto, save contact info, annotate transactions, and preview on blockchain explorers. Market news and alerts. Stay updated with daily crypto news, top gainers/losers, and market insights, all within the app. Mobile phone availability and reception. Downloads and ratings. Over 100K plus downloads on Android with a 4.3 rating from 1.8K reviews, around 4.8 on iOS from 1K plus ratings. Recent updates. Last updated in early March 2025, version 1.17. How to download OneCoin app, Coins, one app for crypto. White heavy checkmark for Android, Google Play Store. 1. Open the Google Play Store on your device. 2. Search for Coins, one app for crypto. Or try searching OneCoin crypto wallet if it's listed differently. 3. Tap on the correct app, usually has a modern crypto dashboard icon. 4. Tap install. White heavy checkmark for iOS, App Store. 1. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Search Coins, one app for crypto. 3. Tap on the app name in the results. 4. Tap download or the cloud icon. Shield what you get. All-in-one crypto wallet and trading. Non-custodial security. Daily crypto news and alerts. Swap, buy, send, and receive features. Lightweight, about 33 to 42 megabytes.